Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Non Fungible Show. My name is Max, Prod Product Manager at SwissBorg, and this week we're going to talk about once again the exciting world of NFT. So let's start off the week with this news from Meta. They are announcing that they are rolling out their plan of adding NFT to Instagram and Facebook. So now what they're doing, they are making it available to all American citizens. If you're in the US, you'll be able to share your NFT. So that's pretty cool for NFT adoption. If you're in the US, you'll be able to use the Ethereum blockchain, the Flow blockchain, or Polygon to showcase your NFT. And you have a little tag at the bottom that proves that it is your NFT coming from either a MetaMask or another supported wallet. I think it's great for NFT adoption. Of course, I shared my opinion on Facebook and Meta using NFT in the past. Even though it's great, it's not the best for Web3 because we want to see NFT being adopted and used in the Web3 ecosystem and not owned by those tech giants. But I think at the end it will be a mix in between, right? Centralization, decentralization, it's a long debate. So overall, for me, it's a good news, especially with the current weight of the bear market. Everyone is kind of depressed, whether it's in crypto, blockchain, or NFT space. But let's stay positive. It's good for adoption. More people will join the space. NFTs are not dead, and there's still a lot of things happening in the space. The good news is also they are planning to add support to Solana. And that's great because the two biggest community at the moment in NFT, it's of course Ether is the biggest one and Solana is the second biggest NFT community. And it's picking up in terms of volume, sales, and number of users. So having Ethereum plus Solana will be a great plus. And they are sharing a few numbers, but the number of money raised in NFT is of course lower than it was earlier in January 2022, but we still see some very successful sales, and I will cover some of them later in this episode. We also have the official announcement from Facebook and Meta here. So in the official announcement, we can see that it's already available more or less in 100 countries. So mostly in Africa, Middle East, and in the US. I really hope that Europe is next. I think there's a lot of legal constraint to add NFT. What is the next move from Meta? I'm pretty sure it's having a marketplace for NFT, because they are not doing this just for the fun or just to acquire more users. They're probably doing it because they have some business use case in mind. So now let's move to the next topic of this week, and I'm really happy to share this with you. NFT Go, it's an analytics where you have already, as you can see, close to 4,000 collections listed, above 3 million token holders, NFT holders, whales, and 15 plus marketplace. I'm going to show you it works. Let's take a collection. So I had one in mind. Let me see if I can find it. That was called, I don't remember if the name is, I think I was something else. Maybe in the, I use volume. Let's see, by floor price, by volume. So top trending, top mint, leaderboard. So the leaderboard is for all those addresses. Now let's talk about a tool that I really like for NFT analytics and analyze different collection, who's holding what. It's called NFT Go. And that's one of the best platform in my opinion, and very user friendly. I'm gonna take a collection as an example. So it's a pretty recent one that is doing well. Actually, I was quite surprised. I followed it. I don't hold any, not financial advice as well, but yeah, they did quite well. What I really like about NFT Go first is you can, of course, check the evolution of the price. Let's take a longer time frame here. And when you look at it, you will find very useful information. Of course, in the past, I told you you have to check the volume is very important. The number of holders compared to the size of the collection is very important. So you don't want a collection that is too concentrated. And here, what you can do, as you can see, the UX is super great. And you can even remove some indicators. I'm gonna keep only whale sales. I think that's a really cool one. Whales, if I remember well, it's people who have a wallet with an NFT holding, an NFT bag that is above $1 million in terms of value. Then you can see who is buying this NFT. Do you have a lot of very important whales people? So influence people in the NFT space who are buying this. Let's say important wallet. It's always hard to say what is a whale. I don't have a clear definition. That what they said is just wallet with a value above $1 million in NFT. And we can see in this collection that there is 332. It's a quite high number from what I saw in the past. And we can see that they've been purchasing constantly and even recently at different prices. You even have the price of the NFT they bought, and they are still buying. So that's very interesting in my opinion. We can see that the volume is high. The number of orders, in my opinion, it's a bit low because it's a 10K collection. Oh, they said like, I think the total collection is 10K. I have to verify, but let's see if they say, yeah, in the description here, they mentioned that it's 10K. So it's not that much. Probably some wallet are holding a lot of them, but it's still okay. And we can check here the dose ratio. That's a good indicator as well. How many blue chip holders are holding this collection? So blue chip holders, it's other collection that are blue chip, categorized as blue chip. Oh, there's even the link here. So the number of people who are in Mutant Ape Yacht Club, you have 235 of them who bought as well a Renga here. And the number of NFT held by the MA Yacht Club, it's over 1,000. So it's a lot. They're holding a lot of Renga. Azuki as well, you can see they are holding 1,000. So what I can see here, it's NFT, there are communities, right? So those communities, they interact with each other, and you can definitely, yeah, the assumption here it's like Mutant Ape Yacht Club and Azuki as well. They are really supporting this project. That's why we have many whales holding, because of course, either it's a Bored Ape or Mutant Ape, you have a lot of whales that are holding those collections. We can see that Clonex, they are also holding a decent amount of Renga. Cool Cat Bored Apes. That's a really cool indication because it shows the interaction between the different communities. You have a leaderboard as well, so that's probably the number of NFT that they are holding. Well, yeah, somewhat. So looks like some wallet minting a lot. You have to be careful. It's I don't want to comment this too much because here you need to know who minted what, was their limit, and I don't know exactly when the project was minted. Here, of course, you can see where those NFT are listed, the different marketplaces, at what price. and the activity. So what I like as well, it's because it's a cross marketplace. So you don't have to just go on OpenSea and look at the activity on OpenSea, the activity on Rarible, the activity on different marketplaces. You have everything in one place. And most of the tool is free. But once again, my two favorite tools, it's the overview here because you can, and of course, you have other metrics below that are interesting. But the ones I like, it's the one I like here. It's the whale indicators and also the holders because it gives me a clear indication of who was holding what and what are the interaction with different communities. So you can use it. You just type your collection. Not all of them are listed yet, but when it's a quite big collection, as you can see here, I've done some research on Chimper's board ape as well. It's really cool. And you also have a research section, and those articles, they are quite cool. So don't hesitate to go through those. A lot of good insights in there. So that's it for NFT Go. Don't hesitate to use it for yourself. Very useful to analyze different collection. Now let's move on to the last topic of the day. I wanted to talk about Prometheus. So as you know, it's the Genesis NFT from SwissBorg. They did their mint. I think it was on September 16th. It was very successful. So it was a bit of if I remember, 1,111 NFT. It was sold out in more or less 25 minutes. And they are already delivering their platform. So that's, I think it's awesome. So many NFT project takes months to deliver, and SwissBorg, they already have their platform online. So I'm not connected because I don't have my NFT. I do hold some of those NFT. But if you log with your wallet, you will see the number of NFT you have, the number of reward share you are eligible for, because you will receive an airdrop of their SwissBorg token. So the longer you stake your token, the bigger you will receive at the end. The epoch here, it's the number. It sum up the length you'll be length time you'll be holding your NFT and your ranking. So your ranking, you have the leaderboard below, and you can see the number of NFT held by each addresses, the percentage of the final reward they are eligible for, and last block transfer, and a few information about the collection itself. And as you can see here, the number of owners, it's much higher because you have more than a 50% of a ratio between holders and number of NFT in the collection. I'm gonna jump quickly on their Twitter because they did even better. They already have the first deal because with this NFT, when you stake it, you are eligible for private deal. And I attend their last AMA with Louis, their CEO, and they already have one deal in the pipeline. So if you're holding one NFT, you're eligible for this seed round. So sorry, I'm saying seed round. It's not a seed, it's private market deal. So I don't know which round it is exactly, but private is already really good because it's difficult in the space. Usually seed round private sales, they are really only for limited amount of people. So having access to those deals, not even 2 weeks after the sale, shows how dedicated and committed the team he is. So very promising for the future with SwissBorg and their Prometheus NFT collection. So that's it for this week. Hope you found this information helpful and that you are more knowledgeable than you were before this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments. Let me know what you would like to see in the next episode, for example. And wish you a good week, good weekend. Take care of yourself and see you next week. Bye.